Strength training is one of the best things you can do for your health and fitness. And the truth is, there's many ways to strength train. There's classic bodybuilding where you do a set, you rest, and then you do another set. Here at the Fit Father and Fit Mother projects, we like a specific kind of strength training called metabolic resistance training, also known as strength circuits or complexes. And what I want to do in today's video is show you one of our best kettlebell complexes that we've ever put out on the channel. What you're going to need is one heavy kettlebell or dumbbell. And this is going to be a 15 to 20 minute routine that's going to work on strength, cardio, and flexibility all in one. So I'm going to cut to that video in just a second, and I want you to follow along with this. You're going to get such amazing benefits, and this workout is efficient, it'll challenge you, and you can do it basically anywhere with no equipment. Let's get into today's workout. All right, so I want to show you a simple kettlebell complex workout that you can do with a single kettlebell in the comfort of your own home or the gym. And the reason I love kettlebell complex workouts is because we're going to be able to take the best strength training exercises and combine them into one circuit. So what we're going to specifically do is take 5 exercises. We're going to take a swing with the kettlebell, and we're going to immediately do 10 swings into 10 squats, into 10 overhead presses, into 10 rows each arm, and then 10 push-ups. So super simple. We're gonna take some of these best strength exercises and do them in a circuit. So I'm gonna actually demo this for you right here with a single kettlebell. I have an angry chimpanzee kettlebell today, which is kind of fun. Definitely don't need one of these to do this workout, but with a swing is one of the best kettlebell exercises, period, and is actually one of the ones that shows the greatest metabolic boost. The key is to start hinging at your hip, and you're gonna fire your glutes, and that gets the kettlebell up. So it may look like I'm using my arms, but I'm really not. I'm using my glutes to fire. So I'm gonna do 10 of these. Fire those hips through. We'll assume I'm at 10. So immediately kettlebell comes up, do a good strong position here, grip that kettlebell hard. We're gonna sit back down into a chair, 10 squats. 1. Stay upright, sit back, kettlebell stays up, hug to your chest. Couple more. We're gonna assume this is 10 here. And we're gonna immediately go into presses overhead. Press the kettlebell, right on down. Up. Great for your shoulders, your core. Make sure you keep that core tight. Press overhead. Couple more. Last one. Come on down. So now, our 4th exercise is gonna be a row. One arm at a time because we have one kettlebell. We're gonna do a 1-arm row, kind of like you're starting a lawnmower, squeezing your back and your biceps. So we do 1 arm at a time, both arms get worked. 10 reps each side. So we'll pretend this is 8, 9, 10. We would switch sides and do the other side. For the purpose of demo, we've done both sides of rows. We're gonna hop down, move that kettlebell out of the way, hop down for 10 classic push-ups. If you can't do 10 push-ups on your toes, do them on your knees. It's perfectly fine. And you're gonna get stronger as you do this workout. So here, good push-up position, down, right on up. For your chest work, and that is 10. So at this point, I've done 10 reps of the swings, squats, press, row both arms, and push-ups. So at this point, I'll rest for 1 to 2 minutes, and I'll complete this circuit 3 to 5 times total for a killer workout. I mean, this first circuit might have taken me 2 or 3 minutes. So if I do this 5 times, I have a 15, 20 minute workout with rest, and it's just amazing. Now, we can make this even more effective. In addition to not just doing the standard circuits, we can do a pyramid style workout, which I'll tell you a little about in just a second, to make this even more effective, where the reps don't stay the same. We actually ramp them up and we ramp them right back down. That's the key to the most effective workouts. I'll tell you about that right now. All right, so I hope you found that valuable. The big picture here is that kettlebells are so effective for weight loss because they combine strength training with cardio and with functional exercises all into one. So they're pretty much the most time efficient thing you can do. And the research shows that certain of these kettlebell exercises, particularly the swings and the squats, are some of the best metabolism boosting exercises around. Incredibly effective. Now we can make this even more effective by putting this workout into what we call a pyramid, where your reps are changing, where you're going up the pyramid and down the pyramid, meaning you're starting off with 1 rep on each of these exercises, working your way up to 8 or 10, then working your way back down. This is the free 24-minute workout I've alluded to in this video, and I want to send it to you. It's a pyramid style workout using these kettlebells and the best exercises, and it is the most effective type of weight loss exercise you can possibly do. So I recommend you check out and download that free 24-minute workout. You can click the links below this video. There's links everywhere. You enter your email, we'll send it straight to your email, and you can watch that video with me on camera and get the download PDF, and then you're off to the races of doing that. But that is the key here. I recommend you do these kettlebell workouts like this free 24-minute fat burning workout 2-3 times a week, spaced out. And roughly these workouts are 24 minutes. So if you do 3 of these a week, you're exercising less than 90 minutes a week, and you're boosting your metabolism and you're losing weight, and you couple that with a good diet and good sleep and good hydration, and you're well on your way to losing all the weight, and most importantly, keeping it off long term. So we can help you with that here at the FFP. Get that free 24-minute workout, and we can start talking to you afterward via email and giving you some of our best tips on nutrition as well. I know you're gonna love those. So I appreciate you being here. If you found this valuable and you're watching on YouTube, give us a thumbs up and let us know. And definitely subscribe to our Fit Father Project YouTube channel. We have hundreds of videos. We're publishing new ones every single week on the best workouts for weight loss, but also in nutrition, supplements, motivation, everything you need to know to stay strong and healthy for your family, to lose the weight and keep it off. We are the Fit Father Project. This is what we do. And I thank you for being here, my friend. I'll see you inside that free 24-minute workout, and I'll talk to you very soon.